What's happening? What's going on, you guys? Hey, to be honest with you, I'm waiting for the grocery store to open so I can get me some grapes. I'm on a strict grape diet, possibly for the next month. Strict grape diet. I'm not eating anything but grapes for the next month. Why you ask? I don't eat fruit anyway, but I dibble and dabble for a little bit of cooked vegetables. But yeah, that's just how I eat. Fixing my financial life, fixing my whole life. You understand me? And yeah, a lot of business endeavors going on. Just wish me luck, man. Like I do, y'all. Look, I got a bank coming to y'all today. It should offer you guys like $25,000 per card. Business cards, it should be around about, I say around about 40, $50,000 on the business side. Some people say up to 100 with the card. They also offer lines of credit. So all together with this bank, I'm pretty sure you can accumulate over $100,000 pretty easy. And that's with bad credit or okay or fair credit. Bam. Let's get it. It is Consumers Bank, but not that one. And I'm kind of glad it's covered up by the Gold Coin Financial. Why, you ask? Because this one right here in particular is in Minnesota. Um, and that's where it offers its services. I'm pretty sure. I haven't tried to get a membership, so maybe you can get in here without being a resident. But I'm thinking that they geo restricted. To be honest with you, how do they figure that out? A lot of the times, from what I learned, it's just through your zip code, what you say your mailing address is. It's real easy. Um, I tried for banks in the state, and they turned me down for the same reason. My zip code was out of their county. And I'm like, ah man, so they only really service the county. So I had to figure that out that way. But yeah. So when you go in to look for Consumers Bank, do not come to her. This is not the one we're looking for. We're looking for this. Yes, that one. Mm. This one is a nationwide consumers credit union. Uh, their cards are through Visa, and guess what? All of their cards offer 0% APR. Oh, oh, for 12 months. Oh, oh, oh. Boom. And that's what you want whenever you credit stack it. You know what I mean? Even though it's gonna hit your credit score, uh, if you do run and play with it, but is you're not gonna have to pay any interest. And as you pay it back down, the credit score will go back up anyway. So you already know that. That's the risk of doing that. So when you do when you do have business plans to do with a personal card, just make it quick. Make it quick, make it quick, make it quick, and pay it back. Um, Basically only for quick returns. That's what I advise you to do that one for. So we scroll down, down, down. We still on the home page. They say you can manage your Visa card with ease. Replacement card. You got card management, add and remove, and authorize user just as to click up a button. Boom. Yes, and that is a big thing. All of you guys, if you have kids, add your kids as authorized user, please. Um, just to start them with credit history. Um, I really advise you to just do it with the card that you don't use too often, the one that you keep the utilization down on. And if you don't know that play, well, we'll explain it to you on a later day. Protected credit transactions. So if you do report something fraudulent, they shall return you your money. add or remove a joint owner. And to be honest with you, it's funny. I've heard of some people they do that. They have a time limit of how often they report something fraudulent. Anyway, these are all the numbers that you might need to have for the help, for the help, for the help. If you need help with anything, you can change your PIN number through the phone number. Lost a stolen star, lost a stolen card, fraud monitoring service, all the different services that you have. And that's about it. There's a whole page on your Visa cards. So it's not the homepage. Homepage. Oh. So they offer certificates, um, certificate loans, 4.5. A certificate deposit. But the thing is, it's a 17-month term. So, you get a little return on your, it's a 4.5 APY. So you get a little return. With their free rewards checking, you get even more. So, I mean, hey, 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 which one you gonna use? Um, they have auto loans as low as 5%. Credit cards, but that's only after the first 12 months. They do not offer 0% down mortgage loans. Dun, 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 dun. Come on, y'all gotta tighten up with that one. So I'm gonna go to the borrow. We're not gonna go to the home loans because I already told you they don't offer the 0% down mortgage loans, but they do offer mortgage loans as low as 3%. The same is Truist and Chase and all the rest of those big banks. So they do compete with them, but they don't compete with the other credit unions that offer the 0% down. Auto loans we already saw it goes down to 5%. They do 100% financing, so that's pretty good. So if you pay your balance early, you probably can dodge a lot of the interest. So this is the steps, quick 5 steps, just like me. Submit an application. You discuss your details with the representative. You start shopping for your car once you're approved. Complete your loan documents, and they fund the dealership. 5 quick, easy steps. Like I said, as low as 5%. They don't get any lower than that. It's kind of hard to get any lower than that. So 5% is pretty good. If you can get a loan from 4 to 5%, it's pretty good. If they go to 3, let me know. Personal loans. They have signature loans. Loan amounts up to 100,000. Members only. And like I said, they are not as strict on your credit score as other banks. Motorcycles. Recreational vehicles. They still finance 100%. I'm guessing that could be motorhome, campers, and boats. Mm, They have secure loans also. So they have a shared secure loan. I don't know if the funds are allocated back to your account once you pay, so you can call them and ask about that one. On to the business side. What you got for me? So they do have business credit cards. I'm supposing that the regular credit cards go up to, anywhere between 20 to 40,000. I don't know. Or maybe anywhere between 10 to 30. The business cards, I'm pretty sure they go anywhere between I'm not saying with the minimum, I'm saying with the maximum. I'm pretty sure it's anywhere between 25 to 50. Um, I saw something, someone said like 100, but I don't know about this specific card. I know a bank that do offer a card with 100,000, but it's not this bank. So, but altogether, you might can get 100,000 uh, with the cards if you have like two or three. I don't know. Well, business and personal. The business you probably can get up to like 50,000 with two cards or so, 50, 60. But if you get two business cards and you get the line of credit, which I'm going to next. Um, Before I go there though, these cards they don't say anything about an introductory rate, an APR. Uh, but I'm pretty sure just because they're all the personal cards say it like so blatantly. Like I said, they only have two cards you can get on the business. I don't know if they'll allow you to have both. So hopefully, I'm pretty sure they only offer two. Why would you only allow somebody to have one business card? Um, they do offer commercial mortgage loans, but they want you to put 20% down on it. Um, they have secure line of credit. They offer equipment financing, so you can you can possibly get a vehicle with the business through this bank. No, that's it. uh, so they offer a secure line of credit. So basically, this it says like they pay your invoice. They pay your invoices for you, and when the payments come in to your bank account, they take them. uh, so it's not that good on the secure line of credit on the business side, but they do offer business credit cards. Uh, and I guess like I said, they offer equipment financing and mortgage loans for the business. So basically, with this bank and a lot of credit unions run the same pattern. Um, they're more I just wanted to check. So they do have the security certificate deposit and all that. But the main thing about a lot of credit unions, they just cater most prevalently to the personal side. They're kind of strict on the business. They're gonna like want to require your tax returns and all this of that just for your business to get an account, just for your business to get any like credit card loans, anything like that. So on the personal side, they're not that strict. Some of them are. Some of them do want to see your pay stubs and everything before you can get a credit card or anything. But some don't. So it depends on your bank. Uh, this bank here, it's pretty cool on the personal side, business side. They could upgrade their products a whole lot. So just because of that, I give them like a, they get like a 3.5. You can't even get a 4 because this is what you don't offer on the business. And I don't know how high your business credit cards go, but you do get a higher grade, 3.5 stars or whatever. Mhm. Yeah, it's more like a 3.8 or 3.9 or something like that. But whatever. Um, that's just because you're not so strict on your credit score. So with this bank, you can get you are able to get credit cards and car loans from with credit scores from 620 with the relationship with this bank. So if I was you, I would go ahead and start a relationship with this bank and throw something in the savings account or something in the checking account. Possibly apply for a credit card and keep the utilization down on it as much as you can, but the transactions up, which is the perfect way to be uh, as a card holder to an institution. They want your transaction level up and your utilization level down, which means you pay off what you use, but they want you to use the card as much as you can. And that's it for this bank. I think for the most part, like I said, they get like a 3.8. They get like a 3.8. She has a pretty convincing smile. So they get like a 3.8. They offer pretty good products. They're pretty nice. As far as on your credit score. Like I said, it could be a little better on the business, but they do have a business side available for you. So I can't knock them for that. They get like a 3.8. So consumers, go ahead and grab that. That's one of your first credit unions to grab once seeing that you have a low credit score until we work our way up into the bigger institutions. So yeah, it's a snowball effect. We're gonna use the credit unions to snowball us into the bigger institutions, and then we're gonna allocate everything back to the credit union. Because the bigger institutions really don't care about you like that. So any profit that you get from the bigger institutions, I would allocate it back to the credit union. Um, it's like, and then I would put a quarter of it back into the bigger institution, so they, but after you pay them off, they don't care that you pay them off. You pay them off, they'll give you more. So, um, the smaller credit unions, I want to impress them, just because from what I understand, their niceness has like vast limits. So it's like their niceness goes really, 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 really far. Basically, uh, once you get the right relationship with them, I mean, you can almost get every product on the personal side if you do it right. And say like if you get every product on the personal side with every bank that you have on the credit union side, you have 6 credit unions. You can go get 6 cars, 6 personal loans, 6 credit cards, all in the same day. Just starting off great relationships. And like I say, you can use that to catapult you to the bigger banks as you use them responsibly. Next be tripping. But until the next time, you guys go ahead and get that credit union account. They do use check systems. Not sure if they pull your credit score. I don't think they pull your credit score for a membership. They do charge a $5 fee for you to have a membership with the CCA, and You know, that's pretty cool. You got to do $5 fee for the CCA membership, and then you also have to do a $5 fee for your savings account. It's a mandatory savings account that you have to start it. If you want a checking account, if you just want a savings account, they just require you to have $5 in it. So go ahead and get this bank. Start a relationship. Like I said, they work with you on your credit side. They're willing to work with you, so I'm willing to work with them. That's why you get a 3.8. And I like them. They're pretty all right, man. I don't have a bank account with them as of yet, but it is in the works. Um, so you guys see y'all next time. And if you do apply and get a credit card, let me know what limit they start you guys with. And like I said, this is a jewel. They do approve for low credit scores. I'd advise you to get a account, let it sit for like 30 days. Put like $50 in it, let it sit for like 30 days, and then apply. They really say try to let them sit for like 90 days. That's if you have the patience. But in 90 days, we might have you in a Bank of America account getting credit cards. So who knows? Um, but till next time, see y'all on that Golden Brick Road. We about to get rich, and I wish you all prosperous endeavors and safe days, man. Safe travels on these roads. Till next time.